Okay, hello dear friends. I bumped into this such a beautiful shop and met with the people here. Okay. Here we have these two wonderful ladies here. Okay, maybe we can do an introduction and you will tell us something about yourself, your store, and I will start to ask.
All right. So I am the owner of Calligraphy Wines, and we make single vineyard Pinots and Chardonnays from Sonoma County. We are a family-owned business, women-run, women-led, and we are very excited to be here in Los Altos downtown as we open our first flagship tasting room here, bringing our wine to our local community that we love.
Wonderful, wonderful. And you are?
Yeah, my name is Sandra. I'm the store manager here at Calligraphy, and I'm so happy to be part of this team and to work with Pooja here in this beautiful store.
Yes.
And
yes.
I love to meet all the people here
Yeah.
in Los Altos. Everyone is so friendly
Oh.
and welcoming.
Yeah.
And yes, we enjoy being part of this great community.
Yes.
And yeah, it's always so interesting and inspiring to talk to people from Los Altos and yeah, to have here a beautiful room for them to come and enjoy this delicious wine.
Yes.
and relax and
Yeah.
so I'm happy to be here.
Okay, wonderful. Let me continue. I love the word calligraphy because I do calligraphy. How did you get? That's also the point we get connected. How did you think about that beautiful word?
So I think it was we were thinking about the name, and my husband said, Pooja, I think your life is like calligraphy.
Yeah.
Because you have done so many things in art and in like acting and also like working in tech. And so he was like just like every stroke of calligraphy is different.
Yeah.
There is some similarity to wine because every wine we make is different. It ages differently in every bottle. And so we kind of collaborated all those three thoughts and we came up with calligraphy.
Did you do performance?
Yes,
Oh,
yes,
wow.
I used to. Yeah, I used to. And I used to sing, so I did study music,
Yes.
Indian classical music, so so that too. So there is art in how we make wine.
Yes, really. There is connection in music and art, the melody.
Yeah, we sing to the wines. I always think that when I go into the barrel room, I'm singing to the wines because I feel like it just brings the best in the wines.
Oh, how interesting. Where is your winery?
So we make wines in Sebastopol, in Sonoma County, and that's where we are located. But we only sell online and from our store in Los Altos.
Okay.
The tasting room that we have in Los Altos, we opened 3 weeks ago.
Okay.
And so we just sell our wines exclusively here and online.
Okay. Okay. So you want to explain a little bit of your wine's character? I am absolute novice in it.
Okay.
Your turn.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the wines when you tasted them. We make really exclusive wine from single vineyards. We make Pinot Noirs and Chardonnays. And the Pinots come from a vineyard named Bootleggers Hill, which is a very prestigious vineyard, and we really enjoy the collaboration, and we make wine from there. And for our Chardonnays, we make it from Sonoma Mountain, and the vineyard name is Richard Dinner Vineyard. So we make only 10 barrel lots of our wine, and you know, it's the best Pinot and Chardonnay, as I can say, and I'm hearing that on a regular basis when people come to the tasting room.
I hope this question is not too hard because Indian wine, I did not heard very much. How do you bring these two different culture? Or there are Indian one, but how do you bring the culture from something seems quite far, but use it as a way to express your inspiration yourself?
Yes, you're right. Yes, I mean, did I grow up drinking wine? No, but I think that wine really changed the way I think and perceive, because when you think of wine, it's about memory. Like, it takes you back into a certain time that you enjoyed it with friends or family. And for Shri and I, my husband and I, we enjoyed wine from Sebastopol, and it always transported us back to where we had a certain wine and had a conversation. And I think that connection brought us to this journey. It was a very kind of a bold move from our side, because when people look at me, they're like, oh, well, you make wine. Okay, how come? South Asian woman owned. Okay, like, first of all, I wish we have more women in wine and more South Asian community in wine. So we had to start somewhere.
The other day, I met with your winemaker. She's also a nice lady, right?
She is absolutely amazing. She is not only our winemaker, she's a very, very good friend. She has made beautiful wines for Paul Hobbs for over 10 years. And she is a self-made and an incredible person making incredible wine. So very happy to have a team that I can really, work with, because, at the end of the day, it's most important is to work with the right people. So having Megan in the vineyard, Shri being a great support, and, Sandra being here in the tasting room, it all matters. Like, at the end of the day, it's the people, and we all are together with one purpose, and that's why we are here.
Okay. In 1 minute, I will come to you. Okay. You get yourself ready. Do you think men and women's wine is different? For cooking, I cook, my husband cook. It's different. Our passion, our interest, the personal taste put into the wine. Do you feel there is a difference in it?
Well, we don't add or remove anything in our wines. It's the vineyards that do all the work. Yes, we just nurture what we get from the vineyards, and every year, every vintage is different because of Mother Nature. It evolves, and like, if I think of my 2021 vintage and the 2022 vintage, they're coming from the same vineyard. They're being made the same way. The same winemaker, the same processes, but it is totally different wine. And so it's not more like, I would say it's more about the vintage and what Mother Nature gives us than the actual, taste. And
Mother Nature. That particular day, heaven has an intention.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. And so the intention and memory and everything. Look at how intentional everything gets when you start making wine.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Like in our life.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. So it's so interesting to run this business. Do you have a lot of people? Only 3 weeks, right?
Yes, we opened 3 weeks ago, and so far it's been fantastic. There are days, of course, here in Los Altos we have the first Friday events, and beautiful other events, and that draw a lot of people into our store. That was really lovely to meet all of them, and also during the day. People just love to find this place and enjoy a glass of wine and to sit down, bring a book and relax and meet here with girlfriends or friends, and after dinner, before dinner. So it's really lovely.
Okay, let's take a look at this. Okay, you choose. Look at this shop. It's really very, very clean and beautiful. What is your favorite? What is your favorite, particularly?
My favorite is definitely the wine. And of all the wines we have here at Calligraphy, I love the Chardonnay. I'm a big fan of Chardonnay, and our manuscript brand, we also produce canned wine, and we have a white Chardonnay canned wine, which I also love very much.
Yours?
I.
Or maybe I should not ask this question. Yes.
It's hard to pick a favorite.
I know.
But yeah, we, like Sandra said, we love all our Pinot Noirs and our Chardonnay. There are people who come in and who are like, oh, I'm not a very Chardonnay person, and they taste the Chardonnay and then they're like, well, I'll get a glass. So that really means a lot. And Manuscript is also Calligraphy's brand, where we make like really nice canned wine, and so we added bubbles to Chardonnay and added bubbles to Rosé to make it fun. And we exclusively sell here right now.
Next one will be handwriting, manuscripts. Okay, I have come to see, they are so beautiful. Where are they from?
These are from some from India and some from the UAE, and they're all like gold plated or silver plated, plates, and yeah.
Wonderful. And you have olive and other things?
We have some olive oil. We also have some spices, really small selection of spices, and coffees. And we get coffees from South Africa, Colombia, Ethiopia, Indonesia, and India. Teas from India and Korea, and and some really fun gift items if you are looking for gifts, and this is the season, so yeah, we can curate some nice gifts for you if you like.
Okay, I am sorry, I come just bump in without any pre-notice. I'm sorry for it, and you are so wonderful welcoming me.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming in. We're so happy you're here, and come back and have a wine tasting.
Yes.
Yeah. Or maybe today, maybe we can show the bottle and the manuscript cans so that they can see and like remember how they look.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, that's our private business. Thank you very much. I'm sorry, I just bump in and trying to do this. I hope this is okay. Thank you. Okay, that's my Saturday evening stroll walking in the downtown Los Altos. And I bumped into this store, Calligraphy Wine. It's a little bit silly. I just felt this store is so cute, so beautiful. And when I heard about the story of the people there, I find it inspiring. People coming from a different cultural background, from South Asia, and start something totally different. And I really admire that courage and that confidence and that drive to try something. And I just feel that zest in life. And it's just bump into them. I did not prepare. They did not prepare. And my question might be quite silly. And they just speak something out of their mind. There is no script, no planning. I hope that offers a little bit of the authenticity of the people who is making a living and strive to make a difference, to make something great out of this life. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Cuckoo, bye. Okay, so here is their website, quite artsy, and they are located at 264 in State Street in Los Altos. You can check their website. It's quite artsy. Calligraphy.wine. Calligraphy.wine, not .com.